The era of the budget Mac is officially over. For years, the Mac Mini was the reliable, quiet box sitting on your desk, the affordable entry point into the Apple ecosystem. But something has shifted deep inside the labs at Cupertino. While everyone was looking at the redesigned M4 Mac Mini, Apple was secretly preparing a monster. A device so powerful, so efficient, and so radically different that it's about to make the Mac Studio look like a relic of the past. You are looking at the M5 Mac Mini, and trust me when I say, this is no longer just a mini computer. It is a declaration of war on the PC industry. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you were planning on buying a new Mac today, stop. You need to hear this first, because what's coming in 2026 isn't just an upgrade, it's a total reinvention of what a desktop can be. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, the M5 chip. We've seen incremental jumps before, but the M5 is built on a brand new, third-generation 3nm process. But that's just the technical jargon. What it actually means is that Apple has managed to squeeze the performance of a high-end workstation into a box that's barely 5 inches wide. We're talking about the new Fusion architecture. For the first time, Apple is bonding two separate dies into one single, massive system-on-a-chip. This isn't just making things faster. It's changing the physics of how your computer thinks. Imagine a CPU core so fast that Apple had to invent a new name for it. Meet the super cores. The M5 Pro inside this new Mini features up to 18 cores, including 6 of these super cores that are currently the fastest single-threaded processors on the planet. Whether you're compiling millions of lines of code, rendering 3D environments, or just trying to open 500 Chrome tabs, the M5 doesn't just handle it, it laughs at it. We are seeing a 30% jump in multi-threaded performance over the M4. To put that in perspective, the entry-level M5 Mac Mini now rivals the performance of the M1 Ultra, a chip that cost $4,000 just a few years ago. But the real reason you're going to want this machine isn't just raw speed. It's the brain. We are living in the age of AI, and Apple knows it. The M5 is the first chip engineered from the ground up for Apple Intelligence. Every single GPU core now has its own dedicated neural accelerator. This is a game changer. We are looking at 4 times the peak AI compute performance compared to the previous generation. This means local large language models, real-time video masking, and AI-driven image generation happen instantly, right on your desk, without ever sending your data to a cloud server. It's fast, it's private, and it's terrifyingly capable. Now, let's look at the design. Apple just redesigned the Mini with the M4, shrinking it down to that ultra-compact footprint. With the M5, they are perfecting it. They've managed to keep that tiny frame while completely re-engineering the internals to handle the thermal load of the M5 Pro. And for the first time, we are seeing the N1 chip, Apple's custom networking silicon. This brings Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 to the desktop. In a world where we demand instant connectivity, this is the backbone of the modern office. No more lag, no more interference, just pure multi-gigabit throughput. Let's talk about the ports, because for a pro user, this is where the Mac Mini either wins or loses. The M5 Pro model is expected to feature